Our lovely patient who's 37 years old is about 2 months out from her abdominoplasty and fat grafting to her breasts. She comes in today and very kindly has agreed to share some of her thoughts and feelings about her back improvement in addition to her overall aesthetic amazing results.
So that was totally not on my radar. That's definitely not why I came to address this, but it was overnight that my back pain that I've had since my early 20s is literally gone. I mean, I have zero back pain, and I was absolutely not expecting that. And had I known that, I probably would have come years ago to take care of this, because I just feel so much like core strength and support that like driving is more comfortable, sleeping is more comfortable. I just feel like an overall improvement in my entire quality of life.
That is awesome. And you were saying your functional medicine doctor
My functional doctor, as soon as I told him I have diastasis recti and, it's really bad. He's like, oh, you have to go get that fixed. You have to. That is only going to make all of the inflammation in your body worse. And I went back to him and he's like, your inflammation is going down tremendously. Your overall health is going to improve because you went and fixed this functional issue, a structural issue. And I'm like, I never would have ever thought of that. And it's just like improved my health tenfold. Just
unbelievable. And how do you feel about your aesthetic results?
I love it. And I go around showing everyone and telling everybody. And now everybody wants to come. And people that never even thought to have anything like this done, they're like, well, if Natalie, who's so like conservative about doing anything, is doing it, well, then I'm going to go check it out. And I mean, literally everywhere I go, I'm just like a walking billboard. I can't shut my mouth about it.
That's so great. Well, thank you for sharing your story.
Of course. Thank you so much.